Well, welcome back to this series of videos that I've put together where we focus on the Quantum VWAP Pro indicator. And in this one, we're looking at the anchored VWAP, the AVWAP. And in the first video of this series, we looked at a stock, and I've now moved across to an ETF. I've taken the XLP, which is a very popular ETF for consumer staples, something that we would certainly keep an eye on once a recession is on the horizon. As you can see, I've not attached the indicator yet because we get this message which says, please click anywhere in the bar history to draw an anchored VWAP. And really, that's all we do. We just follow this simple message. To install or select that particular version of the indicator, all we do is go into indicators as in the normal way, and we click on the VWAP Pro. And here we are, we've got the AVWAP selected, and I've done that across all the time frames. A real big range here because the AVWAP works across all the time frames from the 15-minute, 30-minute, 60-minute on the top line, daily, weekly, and monthly down the bottom. And all we are looking for are significant events on the chart. They could be volatility, could be volume, could be event related, could be candlestick related, two-bar reversals, serious buying, serious selling, accumulation, distribution, something which happened on an event of an earnings release or a fundamental piece of news. Whatever the area is or the point you wish to select, you are in control. You're in total control of what you want to do here. For example, we've got this really big hammer candle here at the top, so we just click on that, and there we go. And the indicator is attached immediately, and we have a wonderful bearish trend to the downside. The VWAP itself, we've got the envelope here, we've got the price revisiting the VWAP, which we've seen so many times, but the pressure of the envelope keeps pressing that price ever lower, and down we go. Remember, this is an ETF, XLP, but it doesn't matter what you're looking at, what the instrument is, it works in exactly the same way. And we could do the same up here. We just click around wherever we want to go. There we go. So it's so simple with NinjaTrader. And all the other analysis that you do in the context of the VWAP, whether the ETF is potentially in an overbought area or it's overpriced, if you like, above the VWAP and above the envelope, if it's underpriced below the outer envelope to the downside, it works in exactly the same way. So let's go across to the 30-minute. Let's enlarge that for you. There we go. Just click anywhere where we're looking at significant opportunity. Click down here. There we go. Lovely rally throughout over the 30-minute time horizon. And whenever you change time frames, the message will reappear. So if I change this back to 15, there we go. It tells you we need to click on a new portion of the chart. So let me just pop that back to 30. There we are again. And it's just a question of picking the point that you want to analyze. There we go. Nice high point there. Potentially volume driven in there. Potentially looking weak. Two-bar reversal. And down we go. And then we get a rally back up on that point there. Up to the 60 minutes, let's just click on the chart, activate it. There we are, clicked it as well. At the same time, you can click down here. There we are. Just gives you everything you need, and you select. You're in control. You decide where you want to position your point of reference, if you will. And really, this is what it's all about. So you select the point of reference, not the indicator. You're in total charge of what you want to do. And then at the bottom here, it works on the dailies, the weeklies, and the monthlies in the same way. So we just click on a high point or a low point, significant areas. You might want to consider that an area. There we go. Or perhaps up here, this might have been a high. There we are. Down we come. Down perhaps to a low point over here. Works in exactly the same way. As you can see, we've got the VWAP in the middle. Our outer envelope is providing wonderful support as we move up here. Then we get to the top here and we start to see the reversal, and we've got rising selling pressure volume. So we come all the way down to a bottom. This might be a significant low. we're always looking at volume. Obviously, volume is the key. Volume is the trigger, as I've mentioned in many, many other videos. Volume is the trigger to getting in, staying in, and getting out. So we use volume always in combination with this particular indicator. That's on the dailies. Hop down onto the weeklies. Really nice signal here. We would have clicked on there to find out what was going on. There we are. Down we come. And that's it. You just choose your points and away you go. And remember, that's on the weekly, so we really aren't going out into the slower time frames now. And finally, on to the monthly. Just expand that up. And where are we going to pick? Well, we've got several spots. We might have chosen that one, for example. Let's have a look at this one. Just click on there, and there we go. And we've got our VWAP on the monthly, which clearly from a much longer term perspective, we are very much in investing territory here. So it really covers the entire gamut of the timeframes. You can use this as an intraday option. You can use it on your 1 minute, your 3 minute, your 5 minute, whatever it may be. You can extend it out onto, as you've seen, onto the 60 minutes, out to swing trading, trend trading, longer term onto the dailies, and out right the way out to this really long-term perspective onto the monthly time horizon. And used in exactly the same way. All the principles I've shown you on the earlier videos can be used in the same way. It's such a great tool to use in this way because you're in control. You decide where to pick your spot, whether it's a significant high or a significant low, and the indicator will then start its calculations from that point. So I hope you've enjoyed this particular video. I'm going to do one for index futures next, just to show you it in action there. So thanks for watching. See you soon, and bye for now.